You are watching Shayna-Renee.
So I look cute today, but I look too much like a nurse. It's giving nurse. I look just like a nurse. Yes, outfit is cute. Super cute, but I am definitely giving nurse vibes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add style to this outfit, switch some things around, so that way I don't look like a costume. I don't want to look like a nurse. So let's just add style. No, this is not my just add style series. You should definitely go watch my series where I really break down how I'm adding style. Let me just show you what I'm about to do. First, I'm going to take this shirt and I'm going to put it on under just for some fun. Let's put the dress back on. Boom. We're going to take this belt off instead of keeping it tied regularly. Too basic with the belt off. I'm going to put it back on, but I'm going to switch it up. Yes, this works better. It's giving a little cinch in the waist. Honestly, I think if I don't put something over this, I can't stop it from looking like a nurse outfit unless I was to wear this open and put on some bottoms, but I don't want to do that. So let's put something on the top and let's keep it going. Let's throw this on and let's see how I'm going to add more style to this outfit. Y'all might not like it, but it's still going to give a vibe from looking like a nurse outfit. Let's get it. Boom. Already, I think this is cute and it's giving a vibe. I really like the shoes with it, but I think I have to switch it out. Cowboy boots. We are in our cowboys and cowgirls era, so I'm gonna throw these on just to give it a little vibe. Before I put these on, I do want to put these blue socks on. Boom. This is already looking cuter. I absolutely love this. We're almost done with this outfit. It came out cute. It's looking real cute if I do say so myself. Now, adding accessories is just going to pull this outfit together and we're going to be done. I'm going to go with silver because I feel like silver would look nice to this and keep it still more on the lighter, vibrant side. So let's do that. Let's go. Very loud, but necessary. Silver bangles. Big old silver ghetto hoops. Cute, necessary. Throwing on this silver chain. I think I might add a little bit more on my neck. Yeah, I know I love to stack, so let's see if this looks cute. This is cute. It might be too much, but I'm going to keep going and see if I'm going to leave it on or not. All we need is shades and a bag, and then the look is complete. Guys, add a few more bangles for fun. Now, let's get into the shades in the bag. I'm going to go with white, keep it real simple, and tie in the color. Cat eyes will look super cute with this outfit. I feel like it'll give a fun, playful idea of what I'm going for. Yes, now for the bag. Cute, but it's not making the cut. This bag, honestly, I've been wearing for 2 months straight and could look good with anything. I'm definitely thinking about going for this, but I know I can do better. This bag would look super cute with this because it matches the same texture, but honestly, this bag is definitely a keeper. This would be my choice, but I feel like because it's super matchy, which is no issue, I think I want to add a pop of color just to add more style and fun to the outfit. So I'm going to go for a bigger bag that I need for today and more colorful. This is the bag that I'm choosing to wear because this is cute. I need a bigger bag for today. And this color is a nice color that just blends with the outfit and it adds more style to the outfit. And it makes my outfit seem more interesting. I went from looking like a nurse to looking really cute and look like I have style. All I did was add a few little elements just to make this outfit pop. And don't forget to tune into my Just Style series so you can learn how to style yourself. So I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.